Now moving on to the last part, which is talking about the search modes. So in the XLookup formula, if we enter XLookup here, the sixth parameter is search mode. In search mode, we have 4 options. So first of all, let me tell you where is this searching happening. We provide the lookup value, which is the first parameter, and we search the position of this lookup value in the lookup array. Now by default, this searching is done from top to bottom. Let me show you here. Suppose for tier 1, so you can see there are many tier 1s in this particular table. But if I am doing XLookup for this value, this is my lookup table and CTC is my matching array. Now, if I do not mention anything else and close the bracket here, by default, it will go and find this value from top to bottom. Tier 1 matches with the first value itself. So it responds with the first value from the CTC column and we get this value. However, if you want to change this behavior, you can use this sixth parameter. Here, by default, it is search from first to last. But if you enter -1, it will search from last to first. So if I select this and hit enter, you will see that it will go down. The first tier 1 value it sees is this. So it will respond with this corresponding CTC value. So 53203 should be shown here. So by default, it is set to top to bottom. You can change that behavior to bottom to top. And the other 2 options here is, there is an option of binary search, sorted ascending order, and binary search, sorted descending order. So when this can be used is, this can be only used when in the column you have unique values and those unique values are sorted in ascending or descending order. For example, we have this serial number column. Here we have unique values and these are sorted in ascending order. So here, if I have serial number, let's enter 10 here and I want to do a binary search for this value, lookup value, matching value, comma, 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 and this is binary search in ascending order and hit enter. So it goes to this 10th value and returns it. Now you may ask, what is the difference here? The only difference is when we are doing a binary search, your system will be able to find the lookup value faster if it is doing a binary search. So binary search is a searching algorithm which works better only if you have the data in ascending or descending order. If you have large amount of data from which the value will be looked up and the array has unique values and it is sorted in ascending or descending order, then using binary search will speed up the application of this formula. So you can see that XLookup is full of features. It can replace VLOOKUP, it can replace HLOOKUP, it can does processing of hash NA. It has much more options in matching mode. We can use wildcards also, and there are options of searching mode also. The only reason it is not being used so widely is that it is not applicable for Excel versions 2019 and earlier. This is why a lot of people are not knowing about XLookup right now. However, over the period of time when most PCs have newer versions of Excel, I think VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP will become redundant and they will not be used anymore. only XLookup will be used in place of those. So that's all in this video. I'll see you in the next one.